Imagine a hole in the earth, wider than a football field, deeper than a skyscraper, that's been burning since 1971. Not for days, not for years, for over half a century. And no one knows why. No scientist can explain how the gas hasn't run out. No geologist can account for the eerie blue-green flames at night. And no satellite can ignore the thermal anomalies beneath it. This is the door to hell. Turkmenistan's eternal flame. And its existence forces us to ask, what if some doors were never meant to be opened? In 1971, Soviet geologists drilling for natural gas in the Karakum Desert struck a massive underground cavern filled with methane. The ground collapsed, swallowing their rig, equipment, and drills. To prevent toxic gas leaks, they set it on fire, expecting it to burn out in weeks. It's still burning today. Early theories abounded: a geological fluke, a sabotage plot, even a cover-up for something older. But here's what we know. The crater is 69 meters wide, 30 meters deep, and fueled by a reservoir of methane that should have depleted decades ago. Local Turkmen call it Darvaza, the gate, and they say the ground sings before storms, a low, resonant hum recorded by researchers in 2018. The real shock came in 2023 when NASA satellites detected unusual thermal signatures beneath the crater, not just heat from combustion, but patterns suggesting subsurface activity. Geologists scrambled to explain it. Some proposed a natural nuclear reactor, rare but documented in Gabon, Africa. Others suggested microbial life, extremophiles thriving in the heat, producing methane as a byproduct. But here's the twist. In 2024, a team from the University of Cambridge recorded acoustic anomalies, not just hums, but rhythmic pulses like a heartbeat. And when they mapped the crater's depth using LiDAR, they found something even stranger: a network of tunnels branching downward, far deeper than any known geological formation in the region. The door to hell isn't just burning, it's alive. Yet questions linger. Why does the crater glow blue-green, not the orange of typical methane fires? Could the acoustic pulses be a form of communication? And most chilling, why did NASA classify parts of the 2023 data as restricted? Some theorists whisper of a portal, a gateway to another dimension, or perhaps a remnant of an ancient civilization. Others point to the Turkmen legend of the Singing Gate, said to be a doorway to the underworld, guarded by spirits who demand silence. Science offers no answers, only more questions. And as climate change intensifies, the crater's role in regional methane emissions grows, making it not just a mystery, but a potential environmental time bomb. The door to hell teaches us humility. Not every mystery needs an answer. Some doors were never meant to be opened, not because they're dangerous, but because they remind us how little we truly understand. In a world obsessed with control, perhaps the most profound wisdom lies in accepting the unknown. If this story made you question what we think we know, if you believe some truths are better left unexplained, then act. Like to signal that mystery matters. Share with a physicist, geologist, or someone who loves unsolved enigmas. Comment your theory. What other impossible phenomenon should we investigate next? The sailing stones? The Bermuda Triangle? You decide. Stay curious, stay humble, and remember, some doors open only once. This is Mystery and More. See you on the next one.